Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious Nigerian vegetable soup, also known as Efo Riro, and I'll be using mackerel fish for this recipe. This soup is packed with flavor, healthy vegetables, and it pairs well with swallow or rice. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. I have mackerel fish, green leafy vegetables, palm oil, blended pepper mix, onions, crayfish, and be sure to check the description box below. That's where the ingredients is listed. So in a clean pot, we're going to go in with all our proteins. I'm using stockfish, dried fish, some smoked prawns, and then I'm gonna go in with my mackerel fish. Now you're gonna go ahead and season this with onions, stock cubes, salt, and ground pepper, and any other spice that you use to season your meat or your fish. So while that is done, I'm going to go in with a little bit of water, give it a stir, and then I'm gonna let it boil for a few minutes until the fish is cooked but not breaking apart. So once the fish is cooked, I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the air fryer or in your oven so it can dry out a little bit, okay, to avoid breaking apart. So now I'm just gonna continue cooking the dried fish and stockfish until they're very soft. Next, I'm going to wash and slice my vegetables, and then to the pot, and the stockfish and stuff is soft. Now let's get cooking. So in a pan, I'm going to heat up the oil. Remember to heat on low heat, okay? We don't want it to bleach, we just want it to heat up a little bit. And then you're gonna go ahead and add your sliced onions. Now you allow the onions to soften. Next, you go in with the iru seeds. You add it in the oil, and then you also saute it with the onions until the fragrance comes out. And after that, you're going to go ahead and put in your blended pepper mix. When you add your pepper mix, you're going to cook that until the oil begins to rise to the top. Now we're gonna go in with our ground crayfish. You go in with salt, and then you're also going to go in with the stock cubes. After going in with all this, you're gonna give this a stir. All right, you stir it a little bit. Next, we're going to go in with our stockfish and all those rishis that we prepared. You add it in the soup, go in with a little bit of the broth. Then you're gonna let everything simmer together so that the flavors come together beautifully. Next, you're just going to gently return the mackerel fish into the sauce. You're gonna stir that, and while stirring, remember to be careful. We don't want to break the fish apart in the sauce. After stirring, cover the pot and let it simmer for a few minutes. And here we are, we're gonna go in with our vegetables. So I'm gonna add the ugu leaves first because it's a bit tougher. Go in with the ugu leaves, and then what I do, just turn it around a little bit. Then I'm gonna cover the pot and let it steam. If you let it steam, it goes down by itself without you having to do a lot of stirring. So just cover the pot and let it steam down. So when it's done, you're gonna open up and then add your spinach if you're using it, or kale if you're also using it. Now do the same thing, cover this up and then let them all simmer together. So it's gonna steam and it helps the vegetables go down, so it's easier to stir, just like that. And also remember to cook the vegetables for just 3 to 5 minutes, okay, to keep the vegetables fresh and green. Then you're gonna test for salt, adjust if necessary, and then you're gonna turn off the heat. And our Efo Riro with mackerel is ready. This soup is rich, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. You can serve it with amala, pounded yam, eba, or even rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.